Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain about exponents and powers, some of the problems, and that are very important problems. In these problems the first question is simplify 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. How to solve this problem? Let us see here. And the solution for this question is given 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. Here this division I can write it as like this division. Here this is also division, this by is also division. This one I will write it as 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 by 6 to the power of minus 1. We got here. If you observe the numerator is in the form of a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Here a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. We can say here. Here by that, if you are converting 4 to the power of minus 1 into 1 by a to the power of m, we get 1 by 4 to the power of 1. If you are having 4 to the power of 1 or 4, both are same. 1 by 4 to the power of 1 or 1 by 4, both are same. So I am not considering this power for this one. Into 3 to the power of minus 1. 3 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 3 power 1. 1 by 3 power 1 or 1 by 3, both are same. Here by 6 to the power of minus 1. What is 6 to the power of minus 1? 1 by 6 power 1 we will get. 6 power 1 is nothing but 1 by 6 we get here. And here if you are sending the denominator to the numerator, then this denominator will become reciprocal to each other and this division will become multiplication. Reciprocal means converting a numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. So what we will get here? 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Here we are sending the denominator to the numerator. So it will become into this 1 by 6 will become 6 by 1. Here we got this one. Whenever into is there, we can cancel the numerator and denominator. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here what is there in the numerator? 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. By 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Here 2 into 1 into 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is the solution for this question. Now let us go for another solution. The next question is simplify 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. How to solve this question? Let us see here. The solution for this question is given 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Here this one totally is numerator, this is denominator. By these brackets we can understand when divided by is there. This total is numerator, this is denominator. So I will write this division like by and this numerator I will write in the numerator place. 5 square whole cube into 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 6. Here if you observe this one, this is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. We can say here m into n or mn both are same. If you want to know the laws of exponents and powers, I did a previous video. The video link is given in the description. You watch that video so that you can understand the laws of exponents and powers very clearly. Here it is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n or mn, both are same. Here by that law of identity we can multiply this both. Here 5 power 2 whole power 3 means 2 into 3 we can say into 5 power 4 by 5 power 6 we got. Here 5 power 2 into 3. 5 power 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 power 4 by 5 power 6. Here into is there and here numerator is 5 power 6, denominator is 5 power 6. So we can cancel this both 5 power 6 and the solution is 5 power 4 we got. What is called as 5 power 4? 5 multiplied 4 times. That means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. 125 into 5 is 625. 625 is the solution for this question. Now let us go for another question. The next question is simplify 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. The solution for this question is given 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Here is division. The division I can write it as like this by, and this one is the numerator, this one is the denominator. Let us write the numerator in the numerator place, denominator in the denominator place, into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. Here is a by b whole to the power of minus m, a by b whole to the power of minus m, a by b whole to the power of minus m. Here each and every number is in the form of a by b whole to the power of minus m. So you can write it as b by a whole to the power of m. Here whenever minus is there in the power, if you are removing the minus, the base will become reciprocal to each other. Here if you remove this minus, what will get? Here this 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3. Here 4 by 3 whole square. If you are having 2 in the power, we can say square, or power 2 also we can say. If you are removing this minus, we will get this one reciprocal. So 3 by 4 whole cube into, here minus you remove, this will become 5 by 3 whole square. Here if you observe the denominator, if you are sending this denominator to the numerator, this by is converted into multiplication and this base is converted into reciprocal. So what we will get here? 4 by 3 whole square into this one denominator. When converting into numerator, this 3 by 4 will become 4 by 3 power 3 into 5 by 3 whole square. We got here, whenever we are sending this denominator to the numerator, this division is converted into multiplication, and this 3 by 4 will become reciprocal to each other, 4 by 3, and power 3 is power 3 only. Now, if you observe, each and every question is in the form of a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m we will get. So what is 4 by 3 whole square? We get 4 by 3 whole square as 4 square by 3 square into this one as 4 cube by 3 cube into 5 square by 3 square. We got here. Now, if you are taking all the numerators in the numerator, all the denominators into the denominator, what we will get here? 4 square into 4 cube into 5 square. We got here, the denominator we got is 3 square into 3 cube into 3 square we got. Now here, look at here. Here is a multiplication and here bases are equal. In multiplication, when bases are equal, power should be added. Here 4 power 2 into 4 power 3. We get 4 power 5 into 5 square. Here in multiplication, when bases are equal, power should be added. What are the powers here? 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So we get 3 power 7. This is the solution for this question. And the solution is 4 power 5 into 5 square by 3 power 7. If you want to solve this one, you can solve it as 4 multiplied 5 times and 5 multiplied 2 times. Again, these both answers you can multiply by 3. Multiply 7 times and write down the answer of that one also. No problem. This one also, if you are keeping like this also, no problem for this question.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.